Hey there, I'm Kevin O'Connor, and welcome back to a special episode today of Ask This Old House, where we are doing a service project here in Dorchester, a neighborhood of Boston. We've got the entire Ask This Old House crew helping us out, as well as our extended This Old House family, as we work with rebuilding together. Janice, nice to meet you.
Nice to see you, Kevin. How are you today?
I'm doing all right.
Great.
So tell me about the organization.
Well, Rebuilding Together Boston is a local affiliate of a national organization.
Yeah.
We're dedicated to repairing homes, revitalizing communities, and rebuilding lives. We do that with a vision for a safe and healthy home for everyone.
Awesome. So sounds like a worthy mission.
It totally is.
And then how do you choose your homes? I would imagine there's a long list of possible candidates.
We do. We have a lot of applicants, but we focus on older adults, veterans, people with disabilities, in communities that need it most.
Mm-hmm. And we know that these houses, as beautiful as they are, can be very expensive to keep up over the years.
Yes.
And if you can't keep up with it, a lot of times people end up selling them.
Well, our goal is to help people stay in their homes, particularly those older adults that want to age in place.
Right.
In addition to that, many families want to make it intergenerational, where they stay in the home for many years to come.
Gotcha.
But it's too costly. Yeah. So we're there to help provide those essential repairs.
Good for the homeowners, good for the community.
Yes, absolutely.
Well, it looks like you picked a gem, nice corner house here in a beautiful neighborhood. Will you introduce me to the homeowner?
Absolutely. Come along. Let me introduce you to Ross.
All right, looking forward to it.
Hey, Ross, how are you today?
Yes, how are you?
Great to see you.
Good to see you too.
I would like to introduce you to Kevin O'Connor from Ask This Old House.
Ross, how are
Kevin,
you?
pleased to meet you.
May we sit?
Yes, of course. I've watched This Old House.
Terrific.
Yeah.
Love it. So let's hear your story. When did you come here?
I bought this house in 1999.
Oh, so you've been here for a while.
Been here for a while.
Mm-hmm.
And the good thing about it at that particular time, this house went for $119.9.
Wow.
This lot went for $1.
You have a double lot. This
I
is
have
unusual,
a double lot.
right?
Yes.
And
yes.
you paid $1?
The man wanted out from under it.
I'll give you $2 right now.
Nah.
Right? Double your money.
Give me $5.
Done deal.
I've had the house appraised. It comes in at a high rate.
Yeah.
This comes in a pretty decent rate too, you know. But I'm not interested in selling. I'm interested in staying. You know what I mean? I'm retired. I'm a senior citizen, and I want to live peacefully.
And you want to stay in your
And I
house?
want to stay in my house.
I get it. I
I
totally
want
get
to stay
it.
in my house.
And you've been here for a while, and you want to stay in the neighborhood.
I've only got 6 more years on my mortgage,
That's terrific.
so why should I move?
Right.
You know?
Right.
I love this place. I love my neighborhood. I love my neighbors.
Janice has told me you've done a lot for the community too. You're a bit of a community leader here.
Well, I call myself like a community, not an organizer, but just like a community liaison. When I first moved here, we had a lot of issues with gangs and drugs and that type of thing. But, you know, we got people together, and now people are living in peace and having a good life. And that's what we want.
But there are a couple things about the house that you'd like some help with, so tell me
Yes,
about that.
yes. The porch needs a lot of work, you know what I mean? And I want it to be secure and safe.
And how were you using it when it was in decent shape?
We were using it for barbecues. We'd sit out there in the evening and enjoy the weather, you know, and have a good time. My friends would come by. Instead of us sitting in the house, we would sit on the porch,
Sure.
you know, or under the porch. We do most of our stuff now under the porch because we don't sit on top.
Right. And who was us? Who were you using it with?
My children, my friends, and my friend, my significant other. We just, you know, kind of hang out.
Yeah.
You know, we have a good time.
Well, we want to help you out, and we're happy to do it. So
I
some of our
appreciate it.
experts are here already, taking a look at it. I'm going to go join them and see what we got, and then we'll be
Okay.
back with you.
I appreciate it.
All right.
Take care.
Thanks,
Thank
Roz.
you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.